Hey everyone, we're out here in the Southwest again. The builder is Lennar. We're gonna take a quick spin around this home here. It is the Bodega. It is 2169 square feet, 5 bedroom, 3 bath. I love this stonework throughout. And it is located in the Southwest, so if you're looking for a home in the Southwest, give me a holler, and I could definitely get you connected and set up with a home here in the Southwest. So you got one room up at the front, brings that natural light up at the front, and there's another room that is on the other side here. So you have two rooms up the front, both good sized rooms. They're probably about the same size. And then again, you have the 5-panel doors, which is nice with the black hardware, gives it that modern clean feel. And then you have a long foyer here, and then you have the two rooms there. You have another room over here. This would be a good room to be set up as an office. I think this would be a great room to have as an office because you have that natural light. Set your desk here. You have that natural light coming in, and then you have a full bathroom over here. You got your quartz countertops. You have a shower here that's got the low curb again. And I love that they do that low curb because when you have knee issues, that big curb is not fun. You'll walk in here, you have this really grand entrance, really open concept here. You got a very big island, so you can have 4 chairs there, line up the kids, the family for breakfast or even a quick snack. You got a formal dining room here. Then you got this nice living room where you put a big screen TV there. Over there is the primary, but we're gonna go take a look in this area here. You got another full bath right here. Coat closet right here. You got garage access there, and then you gotta check this out. This thing is massive. So this is the laundry room. So you put your washer dryer here. You have another area here. You can do like a drying rack. And then you have all this storage here as well. So this could be your little panic room, your COVID area where you can have all your extra rice, cup of noodle, all that good stuff right here. But this is probably one of the biggest laundry rooms I've ever seen. You have another room here that is set up as an office. And then you'll have good light coming through there, which is great. But it's a good sized room. And then we're gonna go take a look at the primary room here. So this home is located in the Southwest area. So if you're looking for something in the Southwest, give me a call. I can set you up with the VIP tour and an appointment, get you locked in. The homes here go really quick, so it's important that you reach out to me as soon as possible if you want to take a look at these homes. And then also, if you're looking for stuff that's happening daily in Bakersfield and you're not from here, subscribe to my Instagram and Facebook at Skateagent. That channel has a lot of stuff that I do daily. The YouTube channel will have things that I do, basically weekly community tours, places I eat, basically family food and fun. But let's take a look at the primary room here. So you walk in, very good sized room. This is a California King. Then you have a closet over here. It's very deep. And then what I like about what Lennar does is they put this shoe rack over here so you can line up all your shoes, have all your clothes over there. So that's very nice. So let's look at the bathroom. You have a double vanity sink here with the quartz countertops. And off over here you have a walk-in shower with, again, the low curb. So this is a good sized shower. And again, it's got that black hardware carried throughout. Then you got your toilet over there. So, all right, guys, if you like this tour, give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel so you can see what happens daily. If there's anything I can do, or if you have questions about anything in Bakersfield, just let me know in the comments below, or even give me a call if you like. But I would love to get you established and pretty much give you an idea of what happens in Bakersfield on a daily. And then I want to give you a perspective at the ground level, so when you make that decision to move here, you're not in the dark. All right, let's go show the next house.